Tehillim 40. For the chief musician, a psalm by David. I waited patiently for Yahuwah. He turned to me and heard my cry. He brought me up also out of a horrible pit, out of the miry clay. He set my feet on a rock and gave me a firm place to stand. He has put a new song in my mouth, even praise to our Elohim. Many shall see it and fear, and shall trust in Yahuwah. Blessed is the man who makes Yahuwah his trust, and doesn't respect the proud, nor such as turn aside to lies. Many, Yahuwah, my Elohim, are the wonderful works which you have done, and your thoughts which are toward us. They can't be declared back to you. If I would declare and speak of them, they are more than can be numbered. Sacrifice and offering you didn't desire. You have opened my ears. You have not required burnt offering and sin offering. Then I said, Behold, I have come. It is written about me in the book, in the scroll. I delight to do your will, my Elohim. Yes, your Torah is within my heart. I have proclaimed glad news of righteousness in the great assembly. Behold, I will not seal my lips, Yahuwah, you know. I have not hidden your righteousness within my heart. I have declared your faithfulness and your Yeshua. I have not concealed your chesed and your truth from the great assembly. Don't withhold your tender mercies from me, Yahuwah. Let your chesed and your truth continually preserve me. For innumerable evils have surrounded me. My iniquities have overtaken me, so that I am not able to look up. They are more than the hairs of my head. My heart has failed me. Be pleased, Yahuwah, to deliver me. Hurry to help me, Yahuwah. Let them be disappointed and confounded together who seek after my soul to destroy it. Let them be turned backward and brought to dishonor who delight in my hurt. Let them be desolate by reason of their shame that tell me, Aha! Aha! Let all those who seek you rejoice and be glad in you. Let such as love your Yeshua say continually, Let Yahuwah be exalted. But I am poor and needy. May Adonai think about me. You are my help and my deliverer. Don't delay, my Elohim.